with Franklin. I hope you learned something. Love you. Bye. State capital and facts. Science. History. World. Math. The capital of New Jersey is Trenton. Despite being the most densely populated U.S. state, it is filled with farms, forests, and over 130 miles of Atlantic coastline. The Garden State was the third state in the nation and has many revolutionary landmarks. New Jersey's state bird is the American goldfinch. It is basically a tiny burst of sunshine with wings. It sports two suits, molting twice a year. The males switch from olive in winter to dazzling lemon yellow in summer. Rosa Parks is a quiet woman who became a symbol of the civil rights movement. Her quiet courage sparked a massive change in America. On a chilly December day, she changed history by refusing to give up her seat on a Montgomery bus. Before her arrest, Rosa Parks was an active member of the civil rights community who knew exactly how unfair segregation laws were. Her decision that night was not just about being tired. It was a planned stand against injustice. Rosa Parks' arrest became the spark that started the Montgomery bus boycott, where thousands of people walked instead of riding for over a year. This peaceful protest showed the world that ordinary people could fight for equality with their daily choices. The boycott led to a Supreme Court ruling that ended bus segregation in Montgomery, proving that nonviolent action could change laws. This victory inspired similar movements across the country and helped launch the civil rights movement we study today. Her story reminds us that standing up for what's right starts with a single voice. To learn more about Rosa Parks, you can watch her interviews, visit the National Museum of American History online, or read the Civil Rights Movement. Go, Mrs. Parks! Sylvie Earl is a legendary ocean explorer who has dived deeper than almost anyone in history. She spent her life exploring the deep sea, asking questions no one else dared to ask. Sylvia called the ocean our planet's blue heart and fights hard to protect it from harm. She invented special underwater robots called gym suits that allow humans to work at great depths without getting hurt. These amazing machines helped her study creatures that live where no human could go before. Her work is important because she discovered that healthy oceans are the lungs of our Earth, producing most of the oxygen we breathe. Without her efforts to create protected marine reserves, many beautiful sea creatures might disappear forever. Thanks to her long-term impact, we know of huge protected areas in the ocean where fish can grow big and safe without being caught by boats. Her ideas are helping scientists around the world clean up pollution, stop the warming of our seas, and map underwater caves. To learn more about Sylvie Earl, you can watch her TED Talks online, read her biographies, or read about marine life. Let's work together to keep the oceans clean. Hedy Lamarr was a famous movie star who also had a brilliant mind for science. When everyone watched her films, she secretly invented a technology that helps us communicate today. She realized that radio signals could be jammed by enemies, so she created a way for them to jump between different frequencies instantly. This clever technique, called frequency hopping, made it impossible for spies to listen in on secret messages. This was especially important because it made radios harder to jam during wartime. Her invention was incredibly important because it laid the foundation for safe and secure wireless communication used all over the world today. Without her unique idea, modern devices like cell phones and Wi-Fi would be much easier to hack. Today, her technology powers everything from Bluetooth headphones, military drones, and satellite systems that keep our world connected. Her long-term impact means we can send instant messages safely across oceans without anyone interfering. To learn more about Hedy Lamarr, read or watch her documentaries on her life or about the history of frequency hopping. She is awesome. I hope you learned something. If not, let's watch again. Love you. Bye.